Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I oppose this motion. Mr. Speaker, the mover of this motion, Honorable Wamboka, has said very, very passionately and emotionally that he is for the farmers. Mr. Speaker, we are all for the farmers. The whole house is for the farmers. Mr. Speaker, he should lay the blame where it is and not at the feet of the Honorable CS. Mr. Speaker, on our order paper, page 508, he says serious reasons for believing that the Cabinet Secretary has committed a crime under national law. We go to the second one, B, where he says he faces criminal proceedings in relation to 6 pending civil, commercial and family suits. Mr. Speaker, what has his family suits got to do with it or civil suits? Mr. Speaker, when we were approving, because I was in the appointments committee where we did with Honorable Opio Wandai and the others, and the minority whip, a majority leader, deputy majority leader, we did the vetting of the CS. And yes, he did say he had those cases. But Mr. Speaker, those cases are in a court of law. So is he now bringing other things which are not related to fertilizer in his pleadings? Mr. Speaker, I think that is completely wrong. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, on the same page, he says that the Cabinet Secretary supplied misleading information. That one is in 1E, where 51 Capital Africa was given a contract which was signed by NCPB in the year 2022 when Honorable Mithika Linturi was not even the CS. So is he apportioning the blame for what was done in March 2022 to Honorable CS Linturi? I think Honorable Wamboka and some of the members here have got a vendetta against the CS Linturi, because CS Linturi handles more than 100 sagas under his ministry, and he cannot be seen to be supervising each and every saga in his ministry, Mr. Speaker. When we say that we want now that CS Mithika Linturi to take the flake, and I am even what our minority leader has said, there was sabotage. Yes, there is sabotage of CS Mithika Linturi, because the bags which were found, and why haven't we even talked about MEMS Limited distributors? Who are the owners of MEMS? MEMS distributors, the majority owner is one Collins Ngetich, who is the majority owner. And Mr. Speaker, he is the one who had a case with CS Mithika Linturi, a civil case regarding Aticon. Mr. Speaker, when he is on the opposite side of the CS, definitely MEMS distributors are the ones culpable. They are the ones who have put those bad things in the fertilizer bags of KELS. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Wamboka has said the CS tried to call KEL Chemicals Director Kumar more than 20 times. Mr. Speaker, I can be calling even the majority leader or even you, Mr. Speaker, and you may not pick my call. Even sometimes I call my friend here, Mheshimiwa Ronald Karaure, for more than 20 times. He doesn't pick my call. So what does it mean? Or when I talk to him, have they got records of what I talk to him about? So Mr. Speaker, you cannot be said that I called somebody for 20 times when you do not know what the conversation was about. It's a matter of conjecture that Honorable CS Mithika Linturi called KEL Chemicals Director. And KEL Chemicals have said more bags were supplied. So what happens to those bags is MEMS to tell us what exactly happens. So Mr. Speaker, this motion is not going anywhere. We are with the CS Linturi because he is not culpable. Let the culpable people be taken to court. and let the Agriculture Committee finish its job. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I oppose.
Sabina Chege.